and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play background music while you're in a meeting on Zoom. I don't know if you can do it if you're not the host, but if you're the host, you can just select the app section here and you're going to select play music in your meetings. You're going to select it and it says music is ready for you to use. They'll have a few like acoustic, I guess some punk as well as and hip hop. And just select whichever one you want. There's staff picks here, and then you're just going to play. I'm just going to select classical, the essentials, and it's going to play the song. And then you're going to select allow. And hopefully it will be shared. Okay, make sure you enable that and you can play the music and people will be able to hear the song, and you too as well. Just adjust the volume. It's not going to be too loud though. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I can't play the music here, but don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!